Welcome to the Gartner ITSM Hype Cycle in Plain English by Aaron Perrott and Andrew Davies. Gartner carry out their ITSM Hype Cycle analysis each year to help IT leaders develop their ITSM roadmaps. The Gartner analysis evaluates the maturity and benefit of trending technologies. We go through the key topics in plain English, explaining how you can benefit.
Welcome to episode 1, where we are covering service operations, AI-focused problem management, and policy as code. And let's start with service operations. So firstly, what is it? It's the closer linking of event management for applications and infrastructure within the incident process. It provides the ability to quickly diagnose and resolve incidents. This is to get closer to an always-on service, correlating events and incidents together and looking at ways to speed up or even proactively solve events before they become incidents. Why would we do this? Enabling this closer linking gives the opportunity for the IT service to prevent incidents before users are impacted. By meeting and exceeding internal OLAs before an SLA with customers is required, and/or meeting the SLA because the issue is already being worked on. It can also allow for automation to proactively resolve issues. If you know what is about to happen, for example, an application running out of bandwidth, then you can expand the virtual server footprint to prevent the issue entirely. This can all be done automatically. Finally, correlation means you can focus on the single problem, not a myriad of events. Now let's focus on the how. Depending on the maturity of your service operations can vary the best place to start. Initially, just getting visibility of the events and focusing on an easy-to-use CMDB for the largest services within the enterprise can give you the initial visibility quickly. As the ability to expand and improve both the CMDB and also the visibility of events, then looking at a seamless integration from event management into ITSM is key. From here, you can then look to leverage AI, both to help with the event correlation, but also to help with calling the right automation to potentially solve the problem and/or alert the right people to solve it quickly. Our second topic today continues the AI theme as we take a look at AI-focused problem management. Once again, let's start with the what. Artificial intelligence and pattern matching can provide proactive problem management by automatically identifying recurring incidents. This can have a significant impact on the quality of service provided, as it highlights repetitive incidents that would otherwise go unnoticed. You can do this across both events, referred to as AI ops, and incidents requests using natural language processing. The output could be fed directly into the problem management team. So why would you do this? Well, AI can read millions of events and tickets in a day. This means it can do the filtering and grouping for us very quickly. It is also always on, meaning the feedback into the problem management process and team is constant and consistent. This means that rather than relying on the desk or second and third line teams to flag an issue, the team can get this information directly. On top of this, AI might spot patterns that are occurring over a longer period of time, which could be missed in normal operations. This gives a rich vein of information for the problem management team. Having this information means the team can focus on removing these repeat offenders and deliver a better service to the business, removing additional support cost from reactively solving the incidents each time. So how do we do this? Well, there are many AI products available on the market. It's important to use the right AI for the right task. Each AI is trained in a certain area. One which is good for looking at trending events might not be as useful to read manually raised incidents and requests. AI has a much better success rate when it's been specifically trained for the task in hand and understands the data. In all cases, it's relatively quick to implement AI now, and it can add immediate value to the team. Our final topic today is policy as code. So what is it? It's a method of defining and managing security rules, criteria, and conditions through code. It is a way of enforcing security and risk policies programmatically within a continuous integration delivery, or deployment pipeline. For example, Active Directory, Azure, and other systems can be configured within policy. E.g., a policy could define required password strength or require certain tags to be added to a cloud server. Policy as code tools automatically automate this activity, i.e., if security mandates a change in password strength. So why would we do this? The main benefit of policy as code is consistency and efficiency across your environment. It also means that security policies can be centrally controlled and managed. Having this enforced automatically means you can scale up DevOps or deployments without requiring additional resources. It also allows for central audit and governance. This means that any changes, internal audit requirements, or modifications to standards can be centralized. So how do you do this? Well, the policies can be enforced with a combination of the underlying programming language and the enforcement tooling being used. Typically, initial use cases are often found within central environments such as Azure or AWS, where you have one area to control downstream policies. It's important to look at policies which are widely used across the organization in order to get the biggest benefit to leverage policy early in any project. That concludes our first blog. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at hello@ktsl.com. Thank you for listening.